Happy Friday, Jungle Explorers! Did you know that gorillas have a super funny way of showing they are happy? It might surprise you. They burp. That's right. When gorillas are feeling all cozy, relaxed, and full of yummy food, they let out a happy burp. In gorilla world, that's a compliment. So why do they burp when they are happy? Well, gorillas live in groups called troops, and when they're eating their favorite foods, like leaves, fruits, and plants, they get so relaxed, a burp just slips out. It's their way of saying, life is good. Can you imagine burping every time you're happy? Well, for gorillas, it's as normal as smiling. Just like we smile or laugh when we feel good, gorillas give a big, happy burp. Gorillas are gentle giants, and they're also super smart. They live in the forests of Africa, and even though they're really strong, they're usually very calm and peaceful. Next time you're feeling happy, just think of a gorilla, chilling in the jungle, letting out a cheerful burp. It's a reminder that everyone has their own fun way of showing happiness, even if it's a little, well, burpy. Thanks for exploring the wild with us today. Keep smiling, and maybe even burping, just like the gorillas. Check out skillsetsconnect.org for more wacky facts.